वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसली सावूद आनी भलायकीन. So today I am going to show you all how to make kokum soda. Okay, so kokum soda, what we need, I have around around 20 petals of kokum. I soaked it and kept it in fridge, and see this. So this is my juice of kokum, and we need some salt, lime. Instead of salt I'll be using some chaat masala, sugar. So this is my cinnamon cardamom sugar. So I will add half teaspoon of that. It's so hot, so you feel like drinking only something refreshing. Then I will be adding some crushed cumin seeds. That is like a pinch, you can say. If you have powder, then you can add powder also. Now we will add our chaat masala, which also has salt. So depending how much you want, I am adding 1/4, a pinch again of that. Then our cumin, what we have crushed. Lime juice. That is half lime juice. And we will add our kokum. See this. We mix all this. And now we will add a soda. And our kokum soda is ready. So easy. Refreshing kokum soda is ready to have. Try this and enjoy. Thank you so much. देव बरें करून पिया ते. Very very tasty. So thank you.
And here it is, lovely and tasty Goan Kokum soda.